So the process of changing the language on iPhone is quite easy and simple. You need to simply open up your settings on iPhone, and once you are here, to change the language on your iPhone device, scroll down below until you see the general. Tap on general. Once in general, you need to scroll down a bit until you see language and region. Tap on here, and here you will be able to see multiple languages. Like if your preferred language or the next language that you want to change is not in the list, tap on add language, and here you can see a whole bunch of languages that are available. So like for example, you can go for any language. Like I go for Arabic. Like here it says prefer Arabic, Najdi, whatever. That black screen will take a bit of a time to load up the new language, and here you can see the language is now changed. And if you want to go back to the language or any other language, or you want to again change the language, simply go and tap on the top, that is iPhone. So if you go on the top, you will be seeing a list of languages that are available to you. So here again, if I want to go to the English, I will tap on English UK and select it. And here you can see I have again changed the language back to English. So hope by doing so you will be easily available to change the language. And before moving on, try, if you are having any issues, try to comment down below. I'll try to answer that. But before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.